In this video, we're going to learn how to limit the download speed or upload speed in Google Chrome. Let's go through the steps one by one. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now, press Ctrl plus Shift plus I on your keyboard. This will open the Chromedeveloper tools. You can also open it by right-clicking anywhere on the web page and selecting Inspect from the menu. Once the developer tools are open, click on the tab labeled Network at the top. Now, look to the right side of the panel. You will see 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots. Then, choose the dock side option. This just controls where the developer tools appear on your screen. You can keep it at the bottom or on the side, whichever you prefer. Next, look for the small gear icon, which opens the settings. Click on that gear icon. In the Settings panel, select the throttling option from the left-hand menu. Now, click the Add Custom Profile button. A new window will appear where you can create your custom network speed profile. You can give it any name, such as Limited Speed or Test Profile. After naming it, enter the values for download speed, upload speed, and latency. There are no specific recommended values. You can choose them based on how fast or slow you want the connection to be. For example, you might enter 500 kilobytes per second for download speed, 200 kilobytes per second for upload speed, and 100 milliseconds for latency. Once you've entered the values, click the Add button. Your custom speed profile is now saved. To use this new profile, go back to the Network tab. At the top, you'll see a drop-down that usually says Online. Click on that drop-down and you'll see your custom profile listed there. Select it. From now on, Chrome will use those speed limits when loading websites in that tab. Please note, these limits only apply while the developer tools are open and only in the tab where the tools are active. It won't affect other tabs or your entire browser. And that's it. Thanks for watching.